Top 5 Pre-on-Demand Niche Research, Episode 27. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, we're going to continue with the 27th episode of the top niches of the week. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Before we get into choosing the niches, I just want to quickly announce that we're going to be revealing the name of the person who won last week's giveaway. So if you'd like to know who won, stick around till the end. So our first niche for today is this t-shirt. It says History of US Presidents, and if you take note, you'll see that they seem the same emojis, but these last three change. So the last time I spoke about, or I gave my own political view of a topic, I received some backlash in the comment section saying that I should have kept my political views to myself. So that is why I don't want to say much about this. But if you can take note, these last three are different, and this third to the last US president is black. The second to the last US president it looks like a clown to me. That's what I see, guys. And this third one, or the last one, which is the present one, looks like a cool emoji. So there are so many things that you can get from this t-shirt, but that is what I see, and probably that is what everyone else sees. So let me know in the comment section below if this is what you see, or if you think there's something different to what I said about this design. So this shirt has been selling like crazy, and look at this. It was at one. It's actually at one, guys. It's not even approaching one anymore. It actually fell down to one. I'm thinking it's because of the 4th of July celebration. Maybe that's why. And the keywords you can use: history, presidents for the Sith, cool president, and don't use T's, guys. Don't use T's. And that was the first niche for today. Second niche is Tokyo. So, guys, like I said in my previous video, that you should make t-shirt designs for Tokyo, because the Olympics is quickly approaching. The Olympics will begin, I think, 23rd of this month. So it's imperative that you make t-shirt designs if you want to capitalize on the t-shirt sales that are going to be going on as soon as the Olympics begin, because the Olympics start every 4 years. So people have waited 4 years for this. That means that there's a huge opportunity to make sales in this niche, and you should take advantage of this as soon as possible. So this retro Tokyo design, and let me just quickly let you know that if you use keywords like Tokyo 2021 or anything related to Olympics, your design will definitely get rejected. So you see how short, or the bullet points, this is straight to the point. If you include extra keywords like maybe 2021 and maybe Japan or Olympics, is definitely going to get rejected. Trust me. So this is very straight to the point. It says Tokyo, straight to the point. It's a city, and very easy design to make. Just the words Tokyo, and grunge it with some lines. Very easy to make. Now, looking at this, it has already been selling, and look at this BSR. It fell and it has been falling and rising, but this design will definitely keep on selling, even starting from the 23rd. It will sell more from the 23rd and above, because that's when Tokyo Olympics begin. All right, so the keywords you can use is Tokyo, Japan. I would recommend you use Japan. And you see, everything else is regular, nothing related to the Olympics or such. So you say, it says Tokyo, Japan. Um, I'm sure this is a store named Kamiseta. Then the other keywords are just regular, like women, kids, vintage, and all the like. So that's it for niche number two. Niche number three is this planet astrology, cosmology kind of design, and it's a mixture between the universe as well as Miss Pac-Man. So if you're a game lover, you recognize that this looks like Miss Pac-Man that eats those fruits and balls. So this is actually a very funny design. This is a great example of how you can cross niche, and this design has been doing great. It's priced at $19.99, over 29 sales and one review. And look at this BSR. Overall trend is up, current trend is up. It has been steady, then it's projected to approach one. And if you scroll down, keywords you can use: planet, funny, solar system. Oh, this is in Japan. Sorry, not Japan, Germany. Know that I was seeing words that were not so I decided to include words, or I decided to include designs from other marketplaces because as time in the past I've been including just from the US, but I've discovered that it's much more advantageous if you have designs that are trending in other marketplaces, because we're not just using only the US marketplaces, we should also take advantage of the other marketplaces. Like this design, if I excluded all the other marketplaces, I wouldn't have found a design like this that is doing quite well, priced $19.99, over $5 royalties, and look at this, overall trend is up, current trend is up. So that's why I decided to include designs from other marketplaces. So this marketplace is Germany, and that's why you see something like Sonnen system. It's supposed to be solar system, and planets, you see Planeten. So um, you just have to use keywords. I use Find Upload for this. I just put one keyword and I click keywords, and it gives me all the keywords that I need. So one keyword is okay, like solar system, and it's gonna give me all these like keywords. All right, so similar designs. This is similar design. Actually, it's the same design on a hoodie, and this one too. This one hasn't sold yet. This one has, oh, this one has sold. This one has sold twice. This one has sold 4 times. So this design is actually doing well. This solar system design, and oh, this one is in the US. Yeah, I see a dollar sign right here, and it's a hoodie in the US marketplace, and it has sold 4 times. All right, so this one is a European marketplace. It has sold twice. This one 4 times. All right, that was it for niche number three. Niche number four is Euro 2021, guys. So Euro 2021 is a tournament that is going on, I think, in the European, between European countries. So it's almost coming to an end, and I think only 2 countries are left. Please, I stand to be corrected. And it's projected that Italy will win. Anyway, we can make t-shirts for both teams. This one is for Italy, and Euro 2021, that's what it says. But I would advise that you use the word Euro, because that is definitely trademark. And you see how this design has been made into a pocket, right? Instead of enlarging the design and making it to fill the whole place, you just put the design as a pocket. They've put in the top right hand side of the design. and it was just something that I noticed that I wanted to put out there. And because I've noticed that such designs are doing quite well, and I've made some designs, but using this style, and they haven't sold yet. So I'm still testing to see if this is actually worth it, making pocket designs as small, because what I like to do is make my designs very huge to fill the whole space. But I've been testing making designs that these pocket designs that fill just the top right hand part of the chest. So let's see how the let's see if I'm gonna make some sales, and I'll give you guys some feedback. So this t-shirt priced 18.99 pounds, euros, sorry, and has over 76 sales, no reviews yet. So it's actually a hot t-shirt, and overall trend is up. You can see the BSR, it has been going up and down, and the keywords you can use is Italia, Europe, or Italy, Europe, and this design is from, yeah, Italy marketplace. So Italians are purchasing this like crazy, over 76 times, and he hasn't had time to have a review yet. That shows how many people wanted this t-shirt, and they haven't had the time to leave back a review. So keywords you can use: Italy, Europe, uh, Italiana, Euro, sports, and all the like. Alright, from the same brand, this is a similar t-shirt design. Like I said, I wouldn't advise that you use Euro, and this one too has sold 13 times, price 18.99. Wow, these prices are very encouraging. This one is 18.99, and I think this one is 19.99. Oh, 18.99 too. Okay, and this is just a Italian flag, growing Italian flag, and it says Italia Euro 2021. Very simple design to make. Just grab a flag from Vexels, grunge flag from Vexels, and put in the words Italia up and Euro 2021 down, or 2021. The last niche of the day is this England football team shirt. So England too is Euro 2021 was supposed to be because of COVID-19, and that's why it says 2020, but actually it is 2021. So these are the countries that are left to be playing, and this one will play tomorrow, and this one will play on Wednesday. So that's why you see t-shirts like England, Italy trending. So people are actually rooting for Italy and England. That's why you see the shirts trending as so many England and Italy shirts trending. Like this one right here is for Italy, and this one right here is for England. So that's why these t-shirts are trending, is because of football, or soccer as Americans would call it. And look at this, overall trend is up, current trend is up, and take a look at this one too, Italia or Italy, overall trend is up. So these t-shirts are actually doing quite well. This one, look at this, wow. So many people think it's England that is going to win. Look at this, I've been buying England shirts as crazy. Look at it's straight four right there, and it's approaching one. So, and it's a very easy design. Hey guys, so I just noticed this is the official logo of England, the three lions. So I would advise you to choose something else if you want to go making designs for England. Yeah, this design will definitely get rejected if you make something like this. That's the official logo for England. So the keywords you can use: England. I wouldn't advise that you use Euro. Um, you can use football and retro, team, English, and all the like. So similar designs, nothing related. And this one from the same brand, I don't know why it has 18 there. There should be some significance. So let me click on it and find out. So click on more info, and I'm guessing it's in the previous one. Let's see. I'm thinking it was published in England. Oh, German Marketplace, guys, German Marketplace, and this one to German Marketplace. So I really don't know why there's the word 18 there. I don't know why it's 18, guys. The football fans, soccer fans, please, you guys let me know in the comment section below why there's the 18 there. It should have some significance. So I really don't know. So please let me know in the comment section below. All right. So that was it for our last niche. And moving over to the next section of this video is picking a comment from our last. Top 5 pronouns. Let me pause that. Picking a comment from our last week's video, and this person is gonna win a one-on-one call with me. So what I'm gonna do is grab the comment or grab the link to the video, go back to comment picker, and I'm gonna go to YouTube. Here it's gonna automatically pick the comment for me. So I learned about this just a few days ago. I was like, wow, this makes it so easy. It doesn't have to look like I'm being favorites with someone or not. I'll just use the link of the video, and the comment picker is gonna pick the names of, or one name of anyone in the comment section. So that makes it easy for me. So it says YouTube raffle options, filter duplicate users. Yep, include replies to comments. Filter comments based on specific text. Nope. Exclude backlist users. No. Add extra interest. No. So get YouTube comments. Let's see the YouTube comments. I don't know. Let's load this one more time. Top 5 print. All right, there are the comments. We'll have over 14 comments, and I'm gonna choose one person who's gonna get a one-on-one call with me, win a one-on-one call with me. So I just come right here to comment picker. That's a link to URL, and get YouTube comments. All right, so I'm gonna click start. So this is actually my first time doing this. That's why I was scrolling around. Oh wow, Eileen Hagati. Congrats to you. It says yes, need to keep it to the job in hand. All right, congratulations to you, Eileen. You are the winner for one-on-one call for this video. And if you'd like to also be considered to be a winner, you should leave any comment in the comment section below. Anything related to the video or not related to the video is considered. So just leave a comment in the comment section below and hit that like button. And before we end this video, I just want to quickly announce that our last week's giveaway for the Vexels, one person is going to receive a refund for purchasing Vexels, and one person is going to receive a refund for purchasing either the yearly or the lifetime plans. And if you'd like to be considered, if you'd like to receive a refund for purchasing either the annual or the lifetime plans, that giveaway is going to end in 2 days. It's actually going to end on the 6th. So if you'd like to be considered, don't forget to hit the first link in the description and enter that giveaway. You first of all have to purchase. When you purchase, then you enter the giveaway. So that giveaway will end in 2 days, and I'm gonna announce the winner in one of my videos. And I'm gonna contact you and give you. Vexos is gonna give you a refund. So that giveaway is still running on, and this one, all you need to do for this giveaway is just to leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button. And in our next video, we're gonna pick you. I'll pick one random person as a winner, just like I did right here. So guys, if you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about Pronouns by KDP, there's a channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first to notify when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.